Narwhal Notation. This is a great game for getting students more comfortable with musical symbols and their meanings. In this game, we've got 31 different symbols that span a whole range of categories from notes to time signatures to ornaments. In Boom Deck number 1, students will see a symbol and a name, and must select if those two match or not. In Boom Deck number 2, students will see a symbol and have 3 different options as to what its name could be. Students then need to just drag the symbol to the correct name. In Boom Deck number 3, students will have a pretty similar game, but this time they are seeing the name and then have to drag it to the correct symbol out of 3 different options. Deck number 4 really ups the challenge and asks students to identify all symbols that they see that fall into a particular notation category. So we've got 9 different categories here. We've got clefs, notes, rests, dynamic markings, accidentals, articulations, time signatures, tempo markings, and ornaments. Throughout this deck, students will see 6 different symbols on each card, and then they'll be asked to select the symbols that fall into a given category. If you'd like to find a guide for all of these notation terms and the symbols, you can find that as part of the print game for Narwhal Notation, which is available from Music Game Club on the website as well. And that game is super fun, very fast-paced matching game, so if you like the boom cards, definitely check out the print game as well.